In a land where every creature had a unique gift, the tale unfolds of a turkey named Turuko, a bird with a voice that could charm the stars. Turuko was not just known for his melodious calls, but also for his humility and wisdom. He was a beloved figure in the forest, respected by all. One day, a great drought struck the land, turning the once verdant forest into a barren wasteland. Turuko, with his heart brimming with concern, sought a solution. He called upon the other animals, gathering them in the heart of the forest. With a somber tone, he asked, "What shall we do, my friends, to revive our land?" The animals were silent, each lost in thought. Then, the eagle, known for his arrogance, spoke up. "I shall fly to the sky and plead with the sun to rain upon us," he declared. The rabbit, known for her cunning, suggested, "I will dig deep into the earth to find water hidden beneath." The bear, known for his strength, proclaimed, "I will dig a great lake, and we can drink from it until the rains come." Turuko, with a thoughtful gaze, said, "Let us not rush into action. Let us first consider the implications of our actions." The eagle, rabbit, and bear, surprised by Turuko's words, listened in silence. Turuko continued, "The sun, though it may bring life, can also scorch us. The water we find may not be enough to quench our thirst. Instead, let us join our efforts. Each of us shall gather the remaining water, share what we find with one another, and pray for the rains to come." The animals agreed, and together they scoured the land for water. Their efforts bore fruit, and they managed to collect enough water to sustain them until the rains returned. In the days that followed, the animals learned a valuable lesson: unity and wisdom were more powerful than individual strength or cunning. The land, too, began to heal, the rains returning after a few weeks, a testament to the power of cooperation and thoughtful action. And so, the tale of Turuko serves as a reminder: in times of hardship, unity and wisdom are our greatest allies. For it is not just the loudest or the strongest that lead us to salvation, but those who think deeply and act wisely.